Okay, so today I'd like to show you something a few people have asked about when they've come in the shop for other things, and that's Rolls Royce wheel. This is a Prewar, and when you first look at it, it is absolutely smooth. They have a aluminum cover over a wire spoke wheel with a what's supposed to be very flush fitting screw-on piece. It takes a special spanner to take off. And then you kind of see a flush tooth piece here. If everything's set perfect, it should be extremely flush. Now, no one really sees a quick way into lug nuts like they're used to, especially in America. So what you end up doing is getting out tools from underneath the hood. You would have already jacked this up. This particular model had jacks already on each side of the rear axle. So you just needed the rods to lift that up. But once you have her up, you need to go under the hood for special Rolls Royce tool. Octagon. Okay, so, and it's shaped with the same octagonal pattern that the wheel is, and this threaded piece here. Would have been threaded down to lock it in underneath the hood, but you want to loosen that up. You also see there's a pair of catches here, kind of opposing. That also locks onto the wheel. Just a nut. So anyway, pull your two catches back. They'll go into a groove on that big nut, and then you actually thread in the center part of the tool. That should, if everything's in good shape, push in this piece in here, and you simply rotate off your nut. It's one big nut. As you can see, kind of see your tooth pattern in there. And at that point, your wheel is on a spline that you would work the tire needle off of. So there's no real indexing on it, so as you do that, you have to be particular which way. And this one's a little tight because of the way the flangers are shaped, so I'm not going to take it all the way off. But yeah, that is how you remove a Rolls Royce wheel, and putting back on is the opposite process. You would leave this still threaded in. That way, as you start going in, it will actually push the lock mechanism in until you've actually got it tight. So they also would have a hammer to make sure this is good and tight. And then sometimes a little wiggling to get the tooth pattern engaged. So I think that's all for now.
And thanks for watching.